Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kaital location. It is from Haryana. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for the branch manager or assistant branch manager position for the home loan or loan against property, and it is from the Supreme Housing Finance Limited. For this position, you must have 5 to 10 years of experience in home loan or in loan against property, and you must have prior experience in same location with the home loan or mortgage experience, team management and collections. And for this position, the notice period will be maximum 30 days. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@supremehomeloans.com. Next one, there are various job roles are available from Art Housing Finance Limited. They are looking for the following job roles like sales manager, relationship manager and relationship officer. And for these positions, the candidates need to have at least 2 years of relevant experience in home loan and loan against property. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for the credit relationship manager. It is from HDB Financial Services Limited. For this position, you must have 1 to 4 years of experience in this role, and you are going to get a salary up to 3.5 lakhs per annum. And the candidates having experience of retail assets along with PD experience is required. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales manager or branch head or senior manager, and it is from My Money Mantra. And if we see the qualifications and experience required for this position, like the candidates should have minimum experience of 4 to 8 years in secured and unsecured loans and generating business through open market or direct sales team or DSA or channel partner, and you have to analyze and formulate the sales plans and strategy and achieve the revenue budget through the team of area managers, sales managers and relationship manager. Interested candidates, if you are fit for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for the loan officer. It is from Kamal FinCap Private Limited. For this position, you must have minimum 12 pass and 1 year experience candidates can apply, or else fresher candidates also can apply. And for this position, the age limit will be 18 to 28 years. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for the technical officer. It is from AU Small Finance Bank, and for this position, you should have BTech qualification in civil engineering, and you are going to get a salary up to 2.1 lakhs plus incentives plus conveyances. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail IDs. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the sales manager position. For this position, the notice period will be less than 1 month, and you should have minimum 2 to 12 years of experience in this field. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.